Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and let's talk about these Duplo sticks by Ferrero. These are amazing. Let me tell you why right now. So let's talk about these snacks bars I'm obsessed with lately. I wouldn't call myself a huge sweet tooth, but sometimes you just need a little pick-me-up, right? These bars are the perfect solution. They are not overly sugary, which is a major win for me. Just enough sweetness to satisfy a craving without feeling like an overloading on sugar. These bars are my go-to whenever I need a little afternoon energy boost or a satisfying after-dinner treat. They are small enough to stash in my bag or my backpack for whenever a craving strikes. And they keep me feeling full and focused. Honestly, these little bars are a lifesaver. They hit the spot whenever I have a craving without overloading my sugar levels, and that's great. If you're looking for a delicious and convenient snack or go-to whenever you have a craving, these are the ones that I recommend. I have tried it, and that's my point of view.